The advice I give buyers when they're buying a house is don't buy the prettiest house. Buy something that's got a new water heater, new furnace, new AC, new roof, all the big stuff that costs a lot of money but isn't that pretty. You can make your house pretty, and that's how you're going to make a bunch of money. You're going to go in, you're going to paint the house, you're going to remodel a bathroom or a kitchen or whatever it is to make it look pretty. Now those mechanicals, they're going to be a little bit older, but they're still in working condition. You didn't have to replace them. You're going to make a lot of money. So when you're buying, that's when you make the money. It's not when you sell. Be smart about your purchase. Reach out to me today. I'll help you out.